Influence of self-managed learning on lifelong development. Self-managed learning is the only way to know oneself, to develop oneself, and to sustain oneself. These are going very fast, and people lagging behind lack of such attributes will not go very fast. So there is a need of self-management to grow inner sight. Such management abilities determine the present and future condition of an individual, either in personal or in professional. Understanding how self-managed learning can enhance lifelong development. Evaluation of approaches to self-managed learning. Self-managed learning is a way individual finds different aspects in learning things, enhancing skills, developing oneself, which could lead the society adjustable with the diverse environment. People learn those skills from the surroundings, family, culture, or to some extent carrying nature inborn. There are many ways to develop one, but the thing is that individual wants himself to be pouring into each day. Sectors are available, and with the interest factor, one has to choose the preferable one. Here are some approaches described. Seminars and conferences. Seminars and conferences in colleges or university to be performed or organized by the high professionals. These are the best suited option for anyone to express oneself. The way seminar goes on is the snapshot of the real-world knowledge which is quite absent in the textbook. Internet. Internet is going through our veins, and nowadays very few people are unaware of the fact of internet using. Internet has brought people an opportunity of distant learning. One sitting before the desktop of laptop may acquire the knowledge level of home and abroad with some clicks. Social networking. Social networking has given a new era of people, and people in present world are totally getting involved into this. Time spending in social networking may be the source of self-managed learning. Facebook, Twitter, or else sometimes provide very useful data or information that helps the people to learn the world. Workshops and professional consultancy. Some agencies sometimes create the opportunity for interested people by providing workshops and professional consultancy, which to a large extent helps to people become self-reliant. Proposal of ways in which lifelong learning in personal and professional contexts could be encouraged using any learning style for this criterion. Learning either in personal or in personal context should be concrete and well-determined. Some factors are to judge to assess the criterion of becoming self-managed learning. This criterion may be SWOT analysis as its indicator or assessment of one individual and the easiest way to know oneself in the context of business or personal purpose. Perfect evaluations have to determine the durability of an individual's lifelong learning. Figure SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis evaluates one's potential or judgment about going to take the advantage or not. This is nevertheless a superb criterion about self-managed learning. If anyone can justify the way discussed above properly, undoubtedly he will be able to know his pros and cons and go to the right direction. Evaluation the benefits of self-managed learning to the individual and organization. Self-managed learning goes through dedication of someone. Success rate of any business venture or in personal life is determined how long a person dedicates oneself to learning. Self-managed learning helps people improve their soft skills. These are brainstorming power. Brainstorming is the process which comes through relating many things together. People adopting this by various learning aspects. Ultimately, this brainstorming helps people to create a new and innovative idea and helps building the leadership or entrepreneurship skills in work skills. Either in personal or in professional lives, every person has to work as a team to achieve the goal. Self-managed learning helps to run the team in a right or perfect way. Individuals without the knowledge of self-learning face various difficulties. To deal with here is an opportunity of combining various knowledge in a package. Presentation skills. Presentation preparation has become mandatory in business era. Successful persons are successful is just because of their convincing presentation. Those presentation skills come from inner side which has to be developed with self-learning. Communication skills. Those skills are preferred in business world. Business is for people, and to satisfy the ultimate customer, the communication techniques have to adopt. Hurdles breaking. Self-learning obviates all hurdles coming towards the venture or in personal life. Learning curve here helps the people to overcome the situation. Able to take the responsibility for own personal and professional development. Evaluation of own current skills and competency against professional standards and organizational objectives. Objectives of an organization. The purpose of the organization. Employee satisfaction to achieve the goals. Turning it to profitable one. Problem-solving elements. Customer satisfaction. Suppliers availability. Inventory availability. Innovative idea. Retraining the maturity stage in product life cycle. Support system. Longevity of business. Combining these objectives with personal skills. To maintain customer satisfaction level, communication skill is very important. Supplier retention has to be combined with the knowledge of the obsolete market. Product life cycle affairs need some strategies which come with the vast knowledge skills. Inventory or raw material availability needs the proper knowledge and prediction power. Digitized sources comes up with the knowledge of internet surfing. Innovative ideas and development of new products comes up with pros and cons of the product changing capacity. This is how personal skills compile with the other factors to set a business objective and lead to better future. Identify own development needs and the activities required to meet them. To work in an organization needs much more attention and skills. Practical lives are not written in the books. Working with different scenario and coping difficulties are just a first of some acquired knowledge. Dealing with organization, one needs to have time management skills, organizing skills, leadership skills. Identify development opportunities to meet current and future needs. Development opportunities are always demanded from any class or group of people. Identifying the current needs and meet up the requirements when and where needed to rectify is an important factor to go forward into professional or personal life. Current needs. Being a student, the time is to standardize oneself in a furnished way. These things don't end with simple talks, rather it needs so much perseverance. Current needs are limited to set the future and develop the human insight with skills either personal or professional. Future needs. Past is past, present become past within a twinkle of eyes, and so future is our present. So every person in his personal life or in professional is concerned with the future. To project a plan is always future. So to make the future whatever design has been made, it's possible if maintained. Be able to demonstrate acquired interpersonal and transferable skills. Evaluation and usage of the effective time management skills. Time management strategies deals with some factors. Setting priorities. First, setting up the demanded needs of a person or a business. It helps set the latter factors. Breaking things down. All issues should be broken down into many segments to deal with all small to small issues. Creating a schedule. Schedule setup is the timing management which helps to focus on the work to be completed part by part. Focusing in quality. Time management does not mean that one sacrifices the quality. It has to be directed by the best quality of service. Avoiding distraction. Distracted matters should be resolved and hence the lead got to rectify the affairs regarding the issues. Help from professionals. If any matter unsolved, it needs the consultancy of experts and setting down the issue. Conclusion. Self-management planning helps us set up an individual in the way the career needs. The pros and cons of relating all factors may be justified in building one's potential. The possibilities grown up or deal with this self-management planning. Influence of self-managed learning on lifelong development.